I was in the back seat, and like most kids, I didn't want to put on my seatbelt. My mother wasn't having it, and she nagged me until I did, and thank God. We were driving along the Southfield Freeway service drive, and just as we crossed the intersection at 6 Mile Road, I saw a car coming directly at us, even though our light was green. Then everything went black. I later learned that an 84-year-old man who probably shouldn't have been driving plowed into the passenger side of the Camaro where my mother was seated. He had accidentally hit the accelerator instead of the brake, and I was thrown through the back windshield and landed on the trunk. If I weren't wearing my seatbelt, I would have been catapulted from the car into the street and probably would have died right on the scene. Instead, I waited to die in the hospital.